Hi there. In this video, we're going to have a look at how to use the ODA functional blocks process flow. In this example, we can see there are several elements created in 3 of the functional blocks. These elements also have links created between each other. To create a link, click on an element and click and drag the arrow icon to the desired element you wish to create a link to. Looking at the properties of an element, we can edit the title, the description, change the settings of the shape and the text. We can also assign stakeholders and products and services, and we can assign data elements. To do this, we'll click the field here, select our data view and the data source, and type in the name of the element you wish to add. Once you have found your element, click on it and it will be assigned automatically and you will see it appear here. We can also add an external link. And when we have finished our process flow, we can make use of the export. Here we can export the process flow to PDF, CSV, or Word. Thanks for watching.